We will guide you through how to edit text in PDFgear. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop and locate the PDFgear shortcut before moving on to the next step. Hover your cursor over the PDFgear shortcut and double-click it to launch the program. Then wait a few moments until the application finishes loading and displays its main interface on your screen. And click the Open File button option to begin selecting the PDF you want to modify. A File Explorer window prompt will pop up on your screen immediately after you click the button. Navigate through your computer folders to find your PDF document. Select the correct file and click Open to load it into the program. Your document will open up, so take a look at the ribbon menu across the top of the window. Navigate to the top main tab bar and click once on the Edit tab option to access the editing features available in PDFgear. Look through the toolbar panel below the tab and locate the Edit Text button icon. Click the Edit Text button once with your left mouse button to enable text editing mode so that document content becomes editable. Hover your cursor over the specific sentence or text block you want to alter, then click inside the text box to reveal the editable text cursor box. Type out your new text or delete unwanted words directly inside the box until the content appears exactly as you want it. After making the necessary changes, highlight the text that you want to format. If you want to adjust the font size, press the font size box and select your desired number from the available options until the text appears at the preferred size. Once you have finished editing and formatting the selected text, click Exit Editing at the top to leave editing mode. Finally, press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to save the document and make sure all changes are stored successfully in the PDF file.